The weekend. Time for relaxation, fun, and cleaning? Cue the collective groan. We've all been there. The sun is shining, birds are chirping, and you're stuck inside with a mop and bucket. But what if I told you that cleaning doesn't have to be a drag? Picture this. It's Saturday morning. You're in your pajamas, surveying the chaos that is your living room. Dust bunnies have formed their own civilization under the couch. But wait, before you throw in the towel, let's shift our perspective. What if we looked at cleaning not as a chore, but as an adventure? An opportunity to transform our space and, dare I say it, have a little fun. Who says you can't dance with your mop or sing into your feather duster? After all, if we're going to clean, we might as well make it entertaining. Now that we've embraced the idea of cleaning as an adventure, let's arm ourselves with some motivational mantras. Ready? Repeat after me. Cleaning today, procrastinating tomorrow. Imagine waking up on Sunday to a spotless home with nothing to do but lounge and enjoy. How about this one? Out with the clutter, in with the calm. When our surroundings are in order, our minds often follow suit. And for those moments when you're tempted to leave that one last task for later, remember this: 5 more minutes, sparkle finishes. Often, it's that final push that takes our cleaning efforts from meh to marvelous. So when you're tempted to call it quits, give it 5 more minutes. Your future self will thank you. Now, let's talk about the secret superpowers of cleaning. Did you know that tidying up can actually be a form of stress relief? It's true. There's something incredibly satisfying about transforming chaos into order. When we clean, we're not just removing dirt and clutter, we're also clearing our minds. The repetitive motions of scrubbing, sweeping, and folding can be almost meditative. Plus, the sense of accomplishment when you finish is better than any stress ball. Cleaning is also a sneaky form of exercise. Who needs a gym membership when you have floors to mop and windows to wash? Think about it this way. Vacuuming is just indoor cardio. And let's not forget the boost to our mental health. A clean, organized space can lead to improved focus, better sleep, and reduced anxiety. So the next time you're feeling stressed, try reaching for the vacuum instead of the TV remote. You might be surprised at how much better you feel. Practical tips for enjoyable cleaning. First up, music. Create a cleaning playlist that gets you moving. Next, let's talk about the power of breaking tasks into smaller chunks. Instead of thinking, I have to clean the whole house, focus on one area at a time. Here's a fun trick. Set a timer for 15 minutes and see how much you can accomplish. It's like a game show, but you're always the winner. You'll be amazed at how much you can get done in a short burst of focused energy. Lastly, don't forget to reward yourself. Promise yourself a treat after you finish cleaning. Maybe it's a relaxing bath in your newly scrubbed tub, or watching your favorite show in your freshly vacuumed living room. Having something to look forward to can be a powerful motivator. Remember, you're not just cleaning, you're creating a space you love. Embracing the joy of a tidy home. As we wrap up our cleaning adventure, let's bask in the glow of our accomplishments. Look around your newly tidied space. Doesn't it feel amazing? This isn't just a clean home, it's a reflection of your hard work and care. A clean and organized home is more than just aesthetically pleasing. It's the calm you feel when you walk through the door after a long day. It's about creating a space that supports and nurtures you. Thanks so much for watching, and here's to happy cleaning and the beautiful homes we create.